Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.